today we are going to take care of this linen closet. This closet is located in a primary suite. So there is the whole bedroom on this side and the bathroom right here. As you can see, the moving boxes were sort of just put in there and not a lot of care and attention was this closet has sort of been abandoned since, well, move-in date basically. So here is the plan, very simple. We're gonna take everything out of the closet and assess what it is that we want to store in this linen closet and then reorganize. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves and the floor that could count as another shelf technically, I guess. I have some bins that I can use. Actually, let me go grab the bins. So even though we want this closet to be functional, we also want it to be aesthetically pleasing. As it currently stands, it is not the case. So it's going to be hopefully a nice transformation, and really we need to think about what we are going to store and how we want things to be stored in this closet. I've got these bins that are very good storage bins. Actually, I've got 4 of them. They're fabric. And so the idea is to use the 4 bins I've got plus 2 big white bins, but I don't know that it's going to fit under this shelf here, so we'll see. So first, let's take everything out. One thing I absolutely want to mention in this video is that this is actually a preliminary step for a room makeover that I will share on this channel very soon. So make sure to hit subscribe if you want to see this beautiful primary bedroom transformation. I'm really excited to have you follow along. Cuckoo! While I'm taking everything out, I'm also looking at what it is, because honestly, I completely forgot what's in there. So that way I can make piles and it'll probably be easier to put things back in if it's sorted by category. These big white plastic bins are from IKEA and the fabric ones are from Amazon. I will link them below. For the fabric bins, one bin has all of the electronics, the other all of the bulbs and lighting equipment. The third has some paint. In the big white bins is actually where we store our gardening supplies. We've got soil in one bin, the other has pots and gloves and macrame, plant hangers, things like that. And I actually just posted a gardening video about how I take care of my plants seasonally. So if you want to check it out, it's linked below and in the corner of this video. This closet is the only one that has shelves built in the whole apartment. And by the way, the reason why I call this closet a linen closet is because of the shelves. That is typically what a linen closet is, where you can fold towels and sheets. In other words, linens. This is actually a very realistic after shot, as it has some temporary items that are very bulky and we need to donate, such as the rug and the monitor. But this closet is really useful and stores all of our miscellaneous items. guess what? We actually worked on the entryway closet as well. So here is the second portion of this video, which I guess you can view as a bonus, starting by installing this super cute mask. We never took the time to organize this closet, so today is the day. We are going to rearrange the shoe rack and properly install the vacuum on the left side of the wall. There's no other room in the whole apartment really, and the entryway closet is a very convenient spot for it. There is an outlet that is inside of the electrical cabinet, also inside of this closet on the left side. But before we tackle the vacuum, I'm sure you guys all know about command hooks, but if you don't, this will change your life. It is such a convenient way to hang random items like this grocery bag. It doesn't leave any marks and it's very easy to install and remove. You sort of have to pull on the tab as if it was gum until it detaches from the wall. So yep, command hooks are your friend. So plan B, because two screws here cannot really be screwed on the wall because it's right next to the electric board. So I'm gonna use command strips. This is not sticking to this thing at all. So the thing is small enough to hold inside of the cabinet. Great result here, because this is properly attached. The vacuum plugs in just like that, so there's no wires going all the way around like we used to have, like a bunch of wires here on the floor. So this is now super neat. It just fits perfectly in there. It's super convenient, very easy to grab, just by the side of the closet. Literally fits perfectly because the door closes right in front of it on the left here. So very happy with this. And since we're right next to the washing machine, you can hear it in the background, most likely it's spinning right now. So we've got the hamper here, very easily accessible, right next to the washing machine. All of the shoes, and we'll have all of the coats hanging here and some accessories up top, and that's pretty much it. And just the grocery bags ready to go, ready to be grabbed on the way out.